And finally, we have updates here to the free plan. On July 1st, we made changes to our plans. So Teacher Pro, we sunsetted. We added those features into the free plan, as well as all of the other auto grading and instant feedback features and functionality. Now, all of the teachers on a free plan are able to use instant feedback and auto grading. And you have 100 AI credits each month to use, and these are consumed when we assign an activity to a class. If you want to learn more about the pricing and the changes, you can go to speakable.io/pricing.